Hi guys, and in today's video, I'm about to show you how to customize your notification sounds into sound effects, any sound effect you want. And at the end of the video, if you find this video any helpful, you may hit the like button or even subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into this video. So guys, what you want to do is click the Windows logo, go to settings and personalization. So from here you go to themes and you go to sounds. Here you see all the sounds that are set as default. I'm just gonna click through all the sounds for different kinds of stuff. Mail, new mail notification, many stuff and notification sounds effects that you can change. I'm about to show you how to change it. What you want to do from here, just close it out and just minimize it. What you want to do is go here, my instant.com, right? I'm gonna have it in the description so you can just click it. What's here is sound effects. You can go here, trending, just ads, but you can skip it. And you go here, you have bra, no, the baby, so many stuff that you can use. So many stuff you can use. So I'ma just click the baby one because I want to use this one. Here, when you're here, you just want to download MP3. MP3 is audio. MP4 is video. When it's finished downloaded, you go to downloads and you click open in folder, and it's gonna show you where it is right now. It's in downloads right now. Now we got the sound we want to use. We want to convert it to WAV. If you don't convert it to WAV, this website is also in the description. So what you want to set this is MP3 because it is an MP3 file. I just want to show you that in here. So when you see this types, you see this right here, MP3 file. You need to change that. So what you want to do is come here and you click this one, and this one is in audio. You click this category and you go to MP3, and this one is also audio, and you click that. It's automatic. It's gonna show if you click MP3 here. It's gonna show this part. I might just to show you how it is. So you go to audio, MP3, and it's gonna show like that way. What it's gonna say here is select file. So what you want to do is select the video that you want to convert to WAV. You click it, and you from here you click convert, and you wait, and it's gonna say download here, and you click it, and it's gonna download right here. So from here you just go back to I have this sound effects too. If you want to use it, it's in the link and description too. If you want to use it, this and video audio effect, but it just notification sounds you could also use if you don't want to use the sound fit that is here. I mean here. But this one is the popular one because it has different kind of different kind of fast audio. So we want to go back to the settings bar. I mean, instead you could just go to personalization, theme, and sound. So from here you can change whatever you want now. Let me just do this so I can show you it actually works. So I'm gonna do device and connect. So the original sound is that, but you click browse and you go to downloads because that's where the file was, the file that I just did. And you click this one, the first one, and it's gonna say text. You want to text.
Let's go.
Too loud.
Let's go.
If it actually and you click apply, and from here I want to just prove that it actually works. So I'm gonna just plug in an SUV to actually prove it actually works. So
Let's go.
guys, that's it. So you can basically just scroll through changing stuff, and it's gonna show you what the sound is for. And if you just don't want to you fed up of the sounds you put, you can just go back to Windows default. So when I click this one now, it is back to the same one that I was using, and the original default one. Yeah, and you can, while you, you did that, you add in the audio effect. You can put this to just play Windows setup sound. It basically like this one, the default one, but it doesn't remove what you just put in there. So that's it. Bye.